Go. Oh, Zeus, the time this takes. Whoever theorized the principle of reduction ad absurdum should burn in Hades. Alas, my method of exhaustion seems to be working. Eureka! It is pi! Now to prove this with evidence. Archimedes, I'm going out!
What did you say, Archimedes?
It's pi time! The magnitude can be bounded from below and above by inscribing circles and regular polygons and calculating the outer and inner polygons' respective perimeters. 3.14158! Baller! I'm going out researching some pi, and not the key lime kind.
Well, that's just great, honey. Have a good time.
I just have to be that hipster Apollonius of Persia. He knows no mathematics. Off I go, woman. Well then, we've arrived.
And now I have reached the great library in Alexandria, and it only took a short trip in my Honda Odyssey across the Mediterranean Sea from Syracuse. This book, this ancient manuscript, looks to be wonderfully helpful in my task. Let me see. According to this ancient manuscript, the Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed in the year 2589 BC, was built with a perimeter of 1760 cubits and a height of 280 cubits. This ratio of 1760 to 80, if I divide it out, is 2 times my constant pi. These same proportions were used earlier at the Pyramid of Medeum, built in 2613 BC, and later at the Pyramid of Amasya in 2453 BC. This is incredible! Is this even possible? I cannot comprehend this. Pi, or y constant, is apparently first referenced as an approximation in around 1900 BC. Egypt calculated to 256 while the Babylonians utilized 25.8. Both of these are within 1% of my true value of 3.14185. This is incredible. Further, the Indian references give pi as 339.109, 3.109. We are all so close. And biblical references from the Hebrew scriptures. This is amazing and just so accurate. Pi is truly a universal number.